All right, guys, so this is a 2020 GMC At4. We put on it is the Carbon Pro. You guys will see a video of it before. We put a Flow FX on it and eliminate, a muffler delete, and we put a Flow FX. But he says it's a 10-speed transmission, and he read a line a lot too. It makes like a helicopter noise. It's really loud. And everybody online told him to put this muffler on it. I'll show you guys in a minute. So it's still got the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then a 3.5-inch pipe. And we put this massive MAGNAFLOW muffler, part number 12909. It's a 3.5-inch inlet, 3.5-inch outlet, 28 inches long, 22-inch body. And they say sounds the best on these out of everything because of the 10-speed transmission. It goes into like 17 different variables between V4, V5, V6, depending on your application. And we left the resonators there and there. It already comes factory dual. And we took the flaps out. You have to angle the muffler a little bit like that for it to fit and not hit anything. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. We'll see how it sounds. If you guys want that muffler, there should be a link in the description, hopefully, if we can find it online for you guys. 2020 GMC At4 Carbon Pro Edition. Really nice truck. It's a carbon fiber bed and other accents are carbon fiber. We got factory converters there and there. Then no more third cat, 3-inch pipe. Then we put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. Added an extra piece of 3-inch to make up for that gigantic muffler that's there. Then we continued it. The stock. It's got 2 giant resonators, one there and one there. The Sierra At4. That's how you put a Flow FX on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There it is. And if you guys want it, the link will be in the description. Hope you guys like it. There's the part number 71419. 2020 GMC At4 6.2 liter V8. Just a beautiful, beautiful GMC truck. Got all the little nice accents on it. There it is. It's got less than 200 miles on it. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single 3-inch. And they got rid of the third cat. Thank you, Jesus. Anyways, and then it continues 3.5 into 3-inch pipe we added. We took the flap out that comes in front of this. And then we put a FLOWMASTER 43041. Customer supplied it. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description right there. And then it's dualed out there into 2 1/4 tailpipes, and it's got factory resonators here and here. He didn't want it too loud, just wanted to hear it nice. There's the flap that I'm talking about, we always take out. There's the muffler. So there it is, At4 GMC Sierra. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. FLOWMASTER 40 series, 43041. There'll be a link in the description. Go ahead. There'll be a break-in period. Go ahead. About 85 decibels. It's quiet. I wonder after it breaks in about 2 weeks. That's the Flow FX we took off, guys. Right there. All right, go ahead and back it out. guys here on the inside. What do you think? Again? Sound decibels? Go ahead. He didn't want it too loud, he didn't want it to drone. About 98. It's about 98 on the sound decibels. That's not bad, that's perfect. Yeah. And the carbon edition comes with black tips, which I really like compared to the chrome ones. Just looks a lot better, a lot cleaner. That's mean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Trailer assist.
Trailer assist, yeah.
Go ahead. Give me gas. Needs to be louder. Those resonators gotta go. Try it for a week, see how you like it.
Yeah. You charge me because the resonator's off.
Another two.
Another 200?
100 inside. Because it's got two on it. Sound decibels, go ahead. .6. Not really changed much.
Yeah.
What do you want to do?
I'll drive it like that for a little bit. If
See
I
how
don't
you
like
like
it,
it.
I'll come back.
Yes, sir. Go ahead and bag it up.
You got both the black ones?
Yeah. There's only one on it in the front. Some of them came with two, some of them came with one. Let you guys hear on the inside. Let you guys hear on drive off now. More than stock. It's about 20% louder now. Stock is about a lot quieter than that. So tell us what you guys think in the comments. 2020 GMC Carbon Pro 6.2 liter V8 AT4. We just put a Flow FX on it. They sound the best. If you don't want a lot of drone, that's the one you go with, and leave the resonators on it. There it is at idle. Nice low rumble. GMC AT4